All right, we're going to dig a little bit deeper into the multiple choice features. So you already know, drag it over onto the card. The first thing we're going to look at is how to randomize the answers. So if I click on the multiple choice container and I come down to the bottom, you're going to see randomize. So right now it's checked. Okay, so we could see that the correct answer is in the first spot here. If I go to preview, you can see the correct answers down here. And if I just refresh my browser, you're going to see that it's changing. It's jumping all around. Okay, if you don't want that feature, you have to uncheck that. Okay, the next thing is, how do I make more than one answer correct? Okay, well, right now you see the first one is correct and it's highlighted in green. If I want another one correct, I would click on here and click correct. You can see now it turns green. Okay, and then I can make this one also a correct answer. You can have as many correct as you want. Okay, it's up to you. Depends on the kind of question. All right, the next one is, how do I change the look of the multiple choice box? All right, well, let's click on the container. So I can just kind of click it and drag it and move it around a little bit and change the shape and the size. Okay, but let's say I want to have them all going, in a vertical shape. So let's click on this. I'm going to come over here where it says columns and go to one column. And now I can just resize that a little bit. And then they're all in one column. All right. If I come over here and select two columns, they're going to look like that. And if I come over here and select 4 columns, then I'm going to get them all spread out along the bottom. So it depends on the size of your space where you want to put the choices, how big the words are, the pictures are, whatever you use. All right, the next thing we can do is add more than 4 choices. All right, so I'm going to select the container. I'm going to select the number of columns I need. So let's say I wanted 5. So I'm going to come over here and select 5 columns. And you can see now it opens up a little space. I'm going to click on one of the answer choices and click duplicate. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, and if I needed more, I can just go ahead and do the same thing and just add another one and click on here and then duplicate that. So that's pretty easy. And if I want, I can click on one and delete it. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and change that. Okay, so depending on how many I have, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add another one. So we have 6. Okay, so now that I have 6, I can go ahead and play with it a little bit, and I can change the look a little bit because I want to, 6. So any way I can make 6, like a 3 by 2, I can do, a 1 by 6. So that would make them all like that. I could do a 6 by 1 and make them all like that. So you kind of have a lot of variety of how you can arrange them, which makes it fun, adds a little bit of interest to the slide that you're working with, and will help fit things better on a slide. All right, thank you.